So in today's video, the Madlanga Commission has me thinking. It has me thinking, and I'm thinking, wow, we have been saying so much about the SENZO MEYIWA trial that is not being audited, that is being run with all the chaos one can ever imagine. But in the Madlanga Commission, let me tell you, it gets really technical, really deep. By the end of this, for sure, we're going to have LLB degrees because on Thursday, we sat and listened to the doctor, LLD, LLM, dun dun, okay, the Mlungu, yeah, and how she told the commissioners just how bad it is in SAPS, just how bad it is between Masamola and Umkunu and of course, Shadrach Sevilla, the disciplined officer of the court. But what's really incredible about all this, speaking of officers of the court, let's go to the court of Judge Rata for a brief moment. I want you to watch this. This is the cross-examination of Umabasa, the downloader, and then chaos happened in the court. I want you to listen to the judge, and then I want you to listen to Umnisi. And then we'll be back. This is a video of compliments of Patricia Mashale and Anjabs over there by the masterminds. And the video title is Mabasa, the hired expert turned analyst. So guys, go watch the full video. But this is what I want us to talk about.
What is that? Just exactly there. What is that?
Yeah. Listen, what the court sees, it's a juxtaposition of the original position. It was on the left. Now there is another one which is on the right. If you don't see that, we can argue it later. Fine, let's continue. Now he's being accused of editing the...
No, that is editing.
Yeah, fine. You can argue that he edited the camera in court.
And my lord.
No, let's have progress, please. Otherwise, there won't be problem.
There won't be progress, my lord, because somebody is fiddling with it, is fidgeting with the photo.
Who's fiddling with it?
I think the operator.
So the doctor now is fiddling with the evidence.
Let us take him out, my lord. I think the best thing is to take him out. Let's go and get somebody neutral.
This gentleman is an officer of the court. Now he's saying...
But he's not an operator, my lord. He's an officer of the court. Yes, his duty is here to prosecute and not to operate these things.
I don't know, man. But the court and Mr. Mnis will tell me if I'm wrong. Mr. Mnis is talking about a neutral person. The gentleman from ENCA is making some comments here. Mr. Mnis is talking about something neutral, someone neutral. I don't know. I'm just saying if it's wrong.
No. Everybody can see what this gentleman was saying happens. Hello? The warrant officer. We can all see it. Whether it's manipulated or not, but we can all see it. Okay, let's proceed. Can all...
Selfie. Then where is the other photo that was taken as an original photo, which is not a selfie? Yeah, the one that was taken by the court ordered. This is fidgeting.
Do you have any other further questions, Mr. Nisi?
I do have questions, my lord.
Yeah,
Plenty of them. But they are going to be based on the same system. Now, my worry is if we're going to rely on Advocate Sibande for him to assist us with this system, I have very serious reservations with what I've just seen.
I know that the Madlanga Commission has got 33 witnesses that are going over there. But somehow, okay, I am feeling a little bit validated, vindicated for the SENZO MEYIWA trial. And let me explain. We have been saying just how crazy the evidence is, just how cooked up it all is, just how unaudited it is. Yesterday we had a member of the NPA inside Pagati within the Madlanga Commission, and just how she spoke with authority, just how she spoke at the sheer shock that they were not even informed about this letter. And then I asked myself, so Senzo Mkunu wrote this letter, used the word immediately, and then he posted it to Twitter? That's what he wanted? He never told the people involved. See, this is what happens when you're a police minister and then you get into the administrative matters of the SAPS. That's the mistake he made. He wrote a letter and then expected everybody to know about it without following process and procedures. So speaking of process and procedures, inside Pagati within Judge Rata's courtroom, for those of you who don't watch the SENZO MEYIWA trial, there was a downloader, Mr. Mabasa, on the witness stand, on the witness stand. I can't remember. Okay, English is junga right now. But anyway, what did he say? Mr. Mabasa, there was a situation with the selfie, and he took a selfie in the court. He took a selfie, like used his phone. He took a selfie and then beamed it on the screen. In the SENZO MEYIWA trial, we're not allowed to see the evidence. It is such a Huge secret. Okay, it's a state secret inside that case. Although over there at Madlanga Commission, they just beam everything to us, and I absolutely love it. I still don't know why the Senzo Meyiwa trial is being treated with such speciality. And no, we're not allowed to see the witnesses either, in case you're wondering. So anyway, the point that I'm making is that Mabasa takes a selfie, and then Dr. Sibanda, he's a doctor of law also, just like the other doctor, the Mlungu, Van Royden. What happened? He is the one operating the computer, the beaming, the image. And according to Omnisi, he says, oh, no, you've edited the photo. And this is happening live inside the courtroom. Do you understand when I say live? I mean inside Pagati within. We are watching, we're listening, and then it literally happens right there. And then the judge jumps in, because you know the judge is an expert of everything. He jumps in, and it's just absolute sheer chaos. And he says what? He says there is no way the doctor would do such a thing. He is an officer of the court. The Madlanga Commission, or should I say, Senzo Mkuno and Shadrach Sevilla, after the testimony of Professor General, no, not Professor, Dr. Van Royden, okay, let me address her correctly. Let me make sure. How do you address a doctor when they're also a general? How do we address her? Da 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 da. We're going to address her as General Van Royen, okay? General Van Royen. She's a doctor as well, doctor of law. So she told the court just how bad it is in SAPS, how just sheer protocol is not being observed there. And then you have a judge jumping in to defend Dr. Sibanda at all cost. There's no assessment done. There's no expert coming to verify. No, the judge verifies right there and there just how much Dr. Sibanda would never do such a thing. By the way, Dr. Sibanda is from the NPA. He's one of the state attorneys. But that, for me, when we watch the Madlanga Commission and hear Van Royen say, and hear her say, Senzo Mkuno was wrong. Shadrach Sibia had no business taking orders and executing orders from the minister, skipping his boss, Masamola. All this is happening in SAPS, and these are what are known as officers of the court. They are commissioned officers of the court. For goodness sake, they are generals. Except Senzo Mkuno. Okay, he's just a minister. He's not a general. But all this to say, these are high level. Okay, because you know Judge Rata loves protocol and he loves ranks. These are the top level ranked individuals. And I bet you if this had happened and they were in the court, the judge would have told Van Royen that no. These are officers of the court. You can't be saying that about such high ranked individuals inside SAPS. So, what is the point that I'm making? The Senzo Meyiwa trial needs to go to the Madlanga Commission. Or the Madlanga Commission needs to go to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. I don't know which one it is, but there has to be law and order inside that courtroom. There has to be an evaluator, an assessor. There has to be an audit. That's the word. We need an audit. Because the more I listen to the Madlanga Commission, the more it ties back to how bad things are inside the Senzo Meyiwa trial. And then the question becomes, will there ever be justice for the Senzo Meyiwa trial? Go catch the full video from Patricia Mashale's video. It's titled Mabasa, the hired... No, wait, let me read the title again. It's from a couple of months ago. That's why I'm giving you the title. It's called Mabasa, the hired expert turned analyst. Go watch it. It's a full 30-minute video. But this is my quick touch base. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm on a big short left. Yeah, big short left. I'll tell you all about it in my next uploads. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.